The lie is that it was ever supposed to be easy. This is hard. Expect it to be. Everyone else feels the same hunger, the same grinding fatigue, the same whisper of doubt in the dark. That empty tank you feel right now, that is not your unique weakness. It is the universal filter. That feeling is the price of admission. It is the wall designed to stop most people. It is the gatekeeper of the next level. When everyone else hesitates at that wall, when they pause, when they negotiate, you move. That is how you separate yourself. That single, brutal, forward step. You were looking for shortcuts, for the secret hack, the magic pill. You will not find them. They do not exist. Sleep, screens, and easy comforts. They are not your friends. They are thieves. They are robbing your future in broad daylight, and you are handing them the keys. Replace them with relentless, focused action. Show up more days than you do not. That is the simple, brutal math of success. Discipline wins where your feelings fade. Your feelings are traitors. They want comfort. They want the path of least resistance. Discipline is the loyalty you show to your future self. Do the things you hate, the cold call, the cardio, the meal prep, and do them like you absolutely love them. This is not about faking it. This is about bending your own mind. It is a psychological warfare tactic. You are teaching your brain that you are in command, not your fleeting, weak-willed emotions. Slow, steady, brutal repetition. That is how you build a mind that will not break. You are not just building a body in the gym. You are not just building a business with your calls. You are building a fortress in your skull. One painful, repetitive brick at a time, until it is impenetrable.
Decisions weigh more than iron. Those unmade choices you carry around, they live in your chest and they crush you, slowly, day by day. The weight of what if is unbearable. It is the anchor that drowns potential. So choose, and then commit. Stop dithering over endless options. The paradox of choice is a trap. It is designed to keep you paralyzed. Pick one viable path and burn the boats. Go all in. There was no power in a divided mind. There was no momentum in a scattered effort. Half measures create half lives. A life of almosts, of maybes, of could-haves. That is the definition of a living hell. Dive deep into the abyss of your choice, or step completely aside for those who will. The only honest regret you will ever feel is the work you were too afraid to even try. Suffer by choice, so you can survive what you cannot control. This is the core of the warrior's code. Life will hand you unavoidable pain. It will deliver loss, illness, betrayal, grief. These are the storms you do not choose. They will come for you. That is a guarantee. The only protection is the discomfort you elect now. The only armor is the hardness you build today. Train for the hurricane by standing in the rain on purpose. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Make voluntary hardship your daily practice. The cold shower, the extra mile, the skipped meal. These are not punishments. They are vaccinations against weakness. That pain will never feel easy, but it will make you stiffer, steadier. It will make you less surprised when the world bites. You will have a foundation built on bedrock, while everyone else is on sinking sand. When the real storm hits, you will stand, because you've been training for it all along. Your biggest rival is staring back from the mirror. It is you. The version of you that loves comfort. The version of you that whispers excuses. The version of you that negotiates with mediocrity. That is the only enemy that can truly defeat you. Excuses live in your mouth, and they settle on your shoulders like a shroud. They are heavy. They are toxic. Cut them loose. Perform a radical excision of blame from your life. There is no rescue party coming for you. There is no magic mentor, no perfect opportunity. No one owes you comfort. No one owes you a damn thing. You are the rescuer. You are the hero of your story. Or you are the villain who lets it all waste away. Build a routine that forces your own growth. A system so powerful it overrides your feelings. A structure that makes discipline automatic. Your feelings are the weather. Your routine is the shelter. Let the storms of emotion rage. You have work to do. Put your own oxygen mask on first. This is not selfish. It is strategic. Secure your body. Your health is your platform. Secure your time. It is your most precious asset. Secure your money. It is a tool for freedom. For a season, be ruthlessly selfish with your focus. You cannot pour from an empty cup. Earn the stability that allows you to give without losing your own damn self. Focus beats scatter every time. Do not spread 10% of your effort across 10 different things. That is a recipe for a decade of zero progress. Put an overwhelming intensity on one thing and make your progress unmistakable. A laser beam can cut through steel. A floodlight just illuminates the dust. Be the laser beam. Periodize your effort. This is not about burning out. It is about burning smart. Work with savage intensity for a focused stretch. Then take a deliberate win. Acknowledge it. Then reset and go again. Wins matter, even small ones. They are proof to your own doubting mind that the brutal method actually works. They are the stones that grind away your doubt. They are the fuel for the next violent push.
Failure is nothing but proof of trying. If you are not failing, you are not reaching, you are not pushing the boundaries. You are playing it safe in the shallow end. Embrace the misses. They are not your identity. They are data. They are feedback. They are the universe telling you where you are weak, so you can get stronger in that exact spot. Learn from the failure and keep moving. Do not wallow in it. Do not marinate in it. The past is a place of reference, not a place of residence. Show up. That simple, unsexy, profound act covers more ground than luck or raw talent. Show up when you are tired. Show up when you are scared. Show up when you are heartbroken. Show up when you feel like a fraud. Show up consistently, day after day, and doors you cannot even imagine right now will be forced to open for you. The universe rewards relentless, stubborn presence. Patience is the quiet muscle behind the hustle. Hustle gets all the attention. It is loud. It gets the likes on social media. Patience is what keeps the engine running when the likes fade and the audience leaves. Time compounds consistent effort, like interest on a savings account. The early deposits seem small and insignificant, but over years, they grow into a mountain. Expect seasons of nothing, long, brutal stretches of intense effort with zero visible results. This is the desert. This is the test. This is where most people quit, because they are addicted to instant gratification. You must continue anyway. You must trust the process. The grind is not glamorous, it is not pretty, but it is the only place where real change lives. Fall in love with the grind itself, not just the fantasy of the results. You will be lonely. Growth will isolate you from the crowd. The crowd is comfortable staying put. They are huddled together for warmth in mediocrity. When you start to climb, you leave that warmth. You will feel the cold wind of solitude. Their noise, their criticism, their concern will try to drag you back down to their level. That is normal. Expect it. Do not let it work. Let the change in you be the reason people say you were different. Let that be your badge of honor. Measure your life by who you become, not by what you gather or what you accumulate. The cars, the houses, the titles, they're temporary. They are hollow. Aim to be strong in your character and utterly stubborn in your daily effort. That is a legacy that cannot be repossessed. That is a fortress that cannot be breached.
Make decisions. Take radical responsibility and stop blaming the hand you were dealt. The hand you were dealt is your starting point. It is not your destiny. Your destiny is forged by how you play that hand. If you want a different result, do something different. If you want a different life, become someone different. It is a simple, brutal, and liberating equation. Start now. Not on Monday, not next month. Now, in this exact moment. With the next choice you make. Go hard, not with frantic, chaotic energy, but with a focused, deliberate, savage intensity. Keep going, especially when it hurts, especially when you want to stop. That is the only moment that truly matters. When you look back on your life, from your deathbed, you want to see a story that was earned, a life of scars, of struggles, of victories, not a pristine, untouched life of safety and quiet regret. You want to know that you left it all out on the field, that you did not die with your music still inside you. Own the grind on a daily basis. Protect your time like it is your only currency, because it is. Say no without guilt. No is a weapon that protects your focus. No is a shield that guards your energy. No is the most powerful word for a warrior. Remember this: the only shortcut that exists is relentless, brutally honest work, done with savage consistency over a long period of time. Then you get up the next day, and you do it all over again. Keep moving forward. Now, the filter is in front of you. The pain is calling your name. The choice is yours. Are you the one who gets filtered out? Or are you the one who breaks through? The world doesn't care about your potential. It only rewards your action. That feeling of being overwhelmed? That is the signal that you are alive. That is the pressure required for growth. Embrace it. Do not run from it. Your entire future is on the other side of the discomfort you are feeling right now. Walk through that fire. There is no other path. Every distraction is a betrayal. Every excuse is a surrender.
You are the author of your own story. The pen is in your hand. The page is blank. What will you write with the actions of today? Will it be a chapter of discipline or another page of delay? The choice is yours. The time is now. Your ancestors survived ice ages. They hunted beasts with sharpened sticks. They endured unimaginable hardship. All of that savage, relentless will to survive is encoded in your DNA. It is your birthright. And you use it to seek comfort? You use it to avoid friction? That is a betrayal of your own bloodline. It is time to wake that warrior up. It is time to honor the struggle that is baked into your very existence. The only honest regret is the work you never even tried. Do not let that be your story. Make the choice, commit to the path, embrace the suck, and build a life that was earned. Not a life that was given, not a life that was stumbled into. A life that was forged in the fires of your own daily discipline and your own relentless will. That is the only life worth living.
That is the only game worth playing. The clock is ticking. Get to work. Own the grind daily. Protect your time like currency. Say no without guilt. The only shortcut is relentless work. Keep moving forward. Now.